All right, good afternoon, not good evening, because I'm filming this in the afternoon, not in the evening, because I don't feel like filming it tonight. I feel like filming it right now. So, today what we're doing is we're adding a package to our project, which I've already done, but I'll show you what it is real quick, and then we're doing things with that package. So nothing fancy. Uh, this is the package. It's Django resized. It is it's tiny package. I mean tiny, like 200 lines, but really, really awesome, really helpful. It's just a wrapper for image field, and it just allows images to be resized when you save them, which is very, very helpful for cutting down file size. So what I'm about to do is just test this and see if it works right off the bat. If it doesn't, then we'll go and troubleshoot it. But otherwise, this should be a pretty short video. Let's see. Um, let's see what this was. Manage post re. Oh yeah, yeah, that's fine. I'm not sure why it didn't get the thumbnail. Because it should have. It should have saved it when I did that. I wonder if I didn't configure something properly in here. Let me try and create a new post. We'll go from there. So here's a 1920 by 1080 image. The resulting image should be 520 by 292. So this will just be, this is my test post. And yeah, publish it. Oh, definitely internal. Definitely an issue there. Um, it's 500. The response might be massive. Oh, geez. Type error when calling this. Oh, I wonder if it's. Oh, I think I might. I think the issue might be that the serializer I am using for this is. Yep, that's it. It is using the standard image field and yeah, not anything else. So we're gonna try and just do this and see how it fares. If it doesn't work, I might have to do this manually. I'm not sure. Um, just refresh the page, just have a blank slate to work off of. We'll just use my thumbnail. This is my test post. Publish. Um, Same thing, I take it. Yeah, okay. So in that case, oh, am I gonna have to go back and rewrite all of this? I'm not sure. Let me look and see. I might just be able to make this myself, which is certainly saving a bit of time in the long run, but I'm not sure. So let me see firstly if there's anything that I can use from this library. I don't think there is, and I wouldn't expect there to be, but how about this? Google it. Django resized with DRF. With DRF. Serializers. Okay, let's start there. I do, yeah, this might be a bit of a pain, to be honest. Change a field in the Django Rust framework while you pick the request type. That should not be. Yeah. Okay, the one thing that I could do actually is just override the create method as DRF actually tells me to do directly. But I would need to actually see what we are doing here. So with the create, just how are we calling it? I might have to go look at the source code again. Probably. Okay. Yeah, probably gonna have to go look at the source code again just so I can see and understand how we're calling create. I think actually are we just calling it manually? I forget. Blog post view because the post is no, we're just creating it and then Yeah, we're calling .save on the serializer itself, not on create. Okay, yeah, so to DRF source we go. And where are we looking to start with? That this should be somewhere in our serializers. This should be somewhere in serializers, I guess. I'm not sure where though, so that'll be fun trying to find that. So I can look for is find save. Oh, here we go. Okay. Um. Okay. So save simply. Oh, okay. This isn't. Hold on. This okay. This is a little bit weird. I want to see how it's called though, because okay, so this in itself makes sense, but then we never actually return, or sorry, we never actually save the instance. So yeah, that's what seems a little bit weird to me. But I can also look forward to find create, but yeah, there's nothing really. Actually, that's not even what I want to be looking in. Yeah, no, that's not what I am looking for. Okay, so I'm gonna have to go back to. Well, I'm not gonna have to go back. I'm just gonna look where save itself is called. So yeah, because this is definitely not the correct place. Okay, so save, 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 save. Yes, I know. This is how it's called. Okay. Okay, so update. No, that's just instance. That's just instance.save. No, then we're back there. That is not helpful at all. It's almost like this project had good documentation. I'm gonna have to be digging through the source code to see how save is called and how I can implement a custom field DRF. Let me actually just see if I can find anything in here. So this is extra field, but that's not. Ew, can I? I wonder if I can just do that. Um, field source. Simple read only field. This is so weird. Okay, so we have a anything jar field. Okay, so just field and nothing else. Field, let me start there. Um, serializer fields, core arguments. Can I just look at like a base field? Okay. Custom fields. A custom field you need to subclass field and override either one or two of the two representation. Okay. Um, it looks like I can probably just make my own field. So let me slide this over to my other monitor, as I always do. We'll go up here and throw in fields delete class. Actually, what's it officially called here? Um, resized image field. Uh, so resized image field. But we probably don't want to call it exactly. I'm gonna call it like serializer resized image field. Okay, I think we just need to subclass this to start, and then we do need to have some sort of middleman here. I'm going to look at the source code for this again, because as you can see, there's a bit of confusingness here. I'm guessing, hoping that I can just copy this for the most part. Um, but I'm not sure. Okay, so let me go to the source again, and this is from um actually, well, I don't know where this is from. Okay, we'll start here. I'm hoping I should find image field. And then, oh, oh yeah, there's nothing in here. Okay, there's absolutely nothing in here. Okay, let me see where I'm getting the other field from then. This is serializers.py. It's serializers.image field. Okay, so I'm guessing it's something from here, but I'm not sure. All right, let me see where we're importing fields, maybe? REST framework.fields. Well, yeah, and that's why I went here, 'cause it should be here, I presume. Oh, maybe it is here, I just didn't see it. Okay, yeah, I think I just didn't see it. Okay, yeah, so in that case, I think we can just use this, but that seems, is that really it? Because, no, it is just, I'm just using serializers.image field at the moment, and nothing else. Actually, so you know what I could do? I could just subclass image field as a whole. Well, actually, no, I can't because it's okay. Because it's mad about something with image field. I'm just not sure what it's mad about. Um, Let me look at this again and see what it is mad about. Um, got a type error when calling that. This may be because you have a writable field on the serializer class that is not a valid argument to that. Um, Read only. Or handle it manually. Let me see if I can read the output here because I don't really feel like digging through that. Oh, is that it? Is it? Oh, wait, hold on. Ooh, I wonder if that's an issue in this. 'Cause I did see that there were issues in the change log. Okay, I'm wondering if this is an issue directly with resized image field, but I'm not too sure. Okay, so I know that's in here somewhere. Okay, so forms.py line 123. I'm just gonna go back to this source code and look. Django-resized forms.py 123 right here. Um, Field.scale is not none. Am I not entering something? That is very possible. String and int. Ew, okay, so factor in that is, I can actually look at this. Scale pillow. We should look at this documentation for this, maybe. Let me look. Scale pillow Python. I just want to see what arguments that should take, and it's just now occurring to me that I should be able to go here and actually no, I can't do that because I don't have. Never mind. I just realized that there weren't type stubs for that. Okay, so I can't do that. I just want to see if it's an issue with pillow itself or an issue with the code, with this code, um, or if it's an issue higher up somewhere. But I have to say I think it's probably an issue with whatchamacallit, with the code or pillow. So, because yeah, okay, so I can go back to the releases, which is what I call the changelog, but I just forgot to call it that. 1.03 is probably what I'm running on. Oh, maybe there aren't errors here. I swear I saw some though. Um, no, there's nothing weird there. That looks like it should function properly. Um, Let me make sure that I am providing it with all the necessary information. Could be an issue with my settings.py, I guess. Um, Let me close a few things here. In theory, Yeah, so it's something there that's an issue with just a type mismatch, basically. But that shouldn't be an issue in the first place because yeah, I shouldn't have to handle that. And actually, hold on, it might have just occurred to me what this is. What is in in this code base? I'm wondering if I set an environment variable incorrectly. Um, so line 123. So it should be self.field.scale or resample. Let me go see what I set my scale as in here. And I'm gonna throw this over to my second monitor just because I believe I have passwords in here. I don't know if I do, but it better not to risk it. Um okay, let me look in the end. No, that's definitely an integer. Let me see if I define like if I explicitly define it as as an integer in settings. I shouldn't have to, but I do wonder if I do. No, it doesn't look like I do. Okay, well, okay, let me manually define it in models, define everything, I mean, and we will see if that helps at all. So here I can define this as, let me go back to the doc, so I can just basically just copy it, everything down. So we'll do default scale should be 0.5. Actually, oh, oh, I don't need to do default scale. I need to just do a scale is equal to 0.5, quality 75, um, keep meta true. Let's start there and see if that gets us anywhere fun. Um, this is my test post. Oh, okay. Yeah, so it's something with the environment variables clearly. Okay, so that definitely looks like crap at the moment, but that's okay. Yeah, because this image is like tiny. I'm gonna be lazy about it and just save it like this and see. Oh yeah, it's 7.2 kilobytes. Okay, well that is wonderful. But yeah, no, I need to dork around with this with settings some, but I'm not sure why that's happening. 'Cause it shouldn't. I might just need to force it to be an integer in my settings.py maybe, but anyways, resized image field works and the library doesn't seem to have any issues with it. It was just me being silly. Yeah. But on that note, now that I actually got this image to save, I'm gonna end the video here and go work on the more technical stuff on my own. So if you have watched this long, thank you for watching, and I will see you later.